Just got done fixing this for a customer. Pretty cool. Colic. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but there it is. Mac 120. But and fixing an old homelite. Pretty sweet. Alright, figure I'd just show y'all what these are older saws and really good ones. So figure I'd show them off. Got them up and running. This one's hideously loud. Pretty sweet. This one seems to be like the ring seems to want to be locking up and stuff. Haven't researched this exact saw yet, but I imagine it's kind of a little difficulty to find parts. The oiler leaks. Has manual oiler, so you got to remember to oil your chain or you'll burn it up. And I'm pretty sure it works. It's putting oil on the chain. But not sure exactly how well it's working. It's definitely leaking a bunch of oil, see? So a new oiler tank would fix that. It idles and runs. It would cut awesomely. It's a little loud too. I'm gonna see if I can prop up the camera real quick. We can start this bad boy up. It will be loud, guys. But I guess I'm gonna label this video starting up chainsaws and showing you cool old chainsaws. Had to shut it off. Alright, that's it, guys. Peace out. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you get all our new videos. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and peace out. See you next time.